Hello, my gardening lovelies. It's your old friend Alan Beanmulch. Welcome to Veggie-Land. I'm just trying to get through all these lovely beans. Do you remember last year I showed you my delicious beans? Well, you haven't seen me for a year, have you? I bet you thought I was a has-been. Did you get the joke? Anyway, I want to tell you what exciting things we're going to be doing this year in this year's programme. We're going to be looking at raspberries this year. I've been planting some raspberries and I'm going to show you what to do. And now I'm going to ask my son James if he can show you what we're going to be doing next. So, James, are you there, James?
Hello everybody! In today's episode we'll be picking more of those lovely runner beans. Also, Alan Beanmulch will be showing you how to cook these scrumptious beans in our new series, Veggie-Land Goes to the Kitchen! So, we're going to pick the beans now. So, if you don't know how to pick beans, then there's a link in the description to this episode in series 1. I show how to pick the beans. So right, you need to find a bean like these, good juicy ones. Pick them, put them in here. See, yeah, there's 3 juicy ones there. There we go. Right, let's find some. Oh, thanks. One here, and up there. There. Oh, go. Yeah. And there. One there. 1, 2 there. Pop them in. Is that enough, Alan? Yeah, that's enough. So yeah, we've got enough now. And these lovely beans are now going to go into the kitchen. And are going to be cooked by Val in Veggie-Land Goes to the Kitchen. Oh, hello! Look, we've got loads more beans. Tons and tons. Now, we will going to be cooking them. You just have to wait a little bit before it happens. Yeah, going in now, bye. Even more beans, look at them, so nice. Oh, loads more, look at that. Brilliant. Gosh, even more. There's so many. It's just growing so fast. Look, you should see the big bowl of it. Look, even more. It's just overload, just bursting with just loads of beans.
Hello again, my gardening lovelies. There's 2 things I want to show you that are new to my Veggie-Land garden this year. First of all, I've got this magnificent rhubarb, which we're going to be doing things with later on, I think. And secondly, if you come with me along here, I'll show you that I've been planting these beautiful raspberry canes. As you can see, I've made my garden a bit smaller because I'm getting a bit old now. And finally, we'll be looking at some flowers on another occasion. My beautiful garden is of my pride and joy. My gardening lovelies, it's been great to have you with us once more. Thank you very much, and we're now going to say goodbye with the last word from James.
Click here for the cooking of beans. Goodbye from me.
And goodbye from me.